It's your boy Cash, and we back with another video. So you know your boy like to support black business, so I had to cop a brush from no one other than Mr. 360 Wave Process. All right, and he done dropped this brush, and it's called the S line. And when I saw that brush, you almost lost my mind. It was like the roll brush went curve. Y'all gonna see what I'm talking about right after this. All right, so we back. Your boy got this 3WP S-line medium wave brush. Now this is a bad brush, all right? Because you get the best of both worlds with this brush. Not only is it a linear bristle brush or a rolled brush, but it's also a curved brush. Where they do that at? So you gotta see this brush. So I'm gonna get ahead and throw up a couple of clips so y'all can get ahead and look at this brush. Check it out. So this brush has a tiger paint finish with a gloss. It has an easy grip handle, linear bristle alignment. It has curved design. It's a rectangle handle brush. And the price of these brushes range from $19.99 to $34.99. Mr. 360 Wave Process, all right, also has other products on his site. He has a bed brush, he has palm brushes, he has handle brushes, he has velvet and silk do-rags, all right. He even has a comb, and then I see now that he even has a wave cream or a wave butter, all right. So y'all might want to go up on 360 Wave Process website and check out some of the products he got and some of the new brushes. But I ain't never seen a brush like this. 360 Wave Process is a coarse hair waver. So I feel like a lot of his products is catered towards coarse hair wavers, but he does help out all hair textures, all right. This brush is really dope. I wish that he came out with a brush with a bristles weren't aligned so close. This is definitely a unique brush. This is definitely different. This is very innovative, okay? The fact that you have the curve design, okay? The curved design, you can see that the bristles are curved. The brush handle is curved, all right? Makes it real good to get ahead and hit your waves and get it right. I love the paint job. I love the gloss. He got his logo on it. He got his logo on the brush. But one thing I would like to see is a different bristle pattern and some of the brushes. If he have any new brushes coming in the future, add some more spaces to it. The only downside to this brush is that it don't have a point. So, but this is still a bomb brush. I can't take nothing away from it. All right, but without further ado, we're gonna get ahead and get into a brush session and see what this brush do. Let's go.